Think that you're going to burn more fat if you train without eating? Newsflash, that is not how it works. Just because you haven't eaten before you train doesn't mean you're going to burn more fat. It just balances out throughout the day in the end. It's all about how many calories that you consume and expend throughout the day and throughout the week. Personally, even if I am trying to lose fat, I would actually rather eat before I train because therefore I have more energy in the gym to go harder, to train more effectively, and therefore probably burn more calories anyways. It will contribute to my fat loss a whole lot more. If you're training fasted, you're not going to have as much energy and you're not going to perform as well in the gym, and you're going to risk muscle breakdown. Whenever we're going through a fat loss phase, you're always going to want to try and hold on to your muscle or build some muscle. So why not do everything you can to help support that part of the goal as well?